Hell yeah, brother. Look at these goodies. Hi guys, welcome to East Coast Side by Side. As you guys are well aware, I'm a long time supporter of Pedal Commander. I have Pedal Commander on most of my toys, most of my vehicles here. You can see behind me, I have a new toy. Pretty much don't even have to say what it is. I think just by looking at the rear quarter, you can pretty much tell. It's not done yet, so I'm not going to show it in its entirety today. So yeah, without further ado, today's video is sponsored by Pedal Commander. Pretty obvious. I'm a long-time brand ambassador for them. I'm sponsored by them for over 4 years now. Really appreciate their support. They've helped grow my channel to what it is today. So let's take a look at the goodies that they sent me for my new toy. Look at that, baby. So they sent me a little bit of merch, stickers, keychains. So this is the same box that they all come with. Pretty much all come in the same packaging. It's really nice, actually. Alright, so as usual, this is what the unit looks like. Nothing's changed from previous year versions. You got a male end connector and a female end connector. Basically, all you do is you go in here and right by on the right side of your pedal there. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see it, but right there, you see that connector? So you basically remove the OEM connector. You splice in the female end on the OEM connector, and then you connect the wire to the male end, and that's pretty much it. And then you fish up the Pedal Commander to where you want it. So some people like to keep it hidden. Personally, I'm probably gonna put it on the dash. Not sure what side yet. Probably on that side. I'll find a nice place for it. So what I'll do now is I'll give you guys a little preview before and after. So I'll show you what the OEM factory throttle response looks like. Horribly bad, as all other Can-Am vehicles are, from the factory. Just my personal preference. I prefer having I prefer having the throttle set up exactly the way I want it for my driving style. And obviously you guys all know, if you watch the channel, I'm a pretty aggressive driver, so I like to have an aggressive throttle pedal. One thing I forgot to mention, my machine is tuned by Whelen, so that would drastically affect the OEM throttle. So I guess my before and after wasn't really an accurate representation of what it comes from the factory. I knew there was something off because my X3 was much worse from factory. Like, it was super bad. Like, you could push the pedal almost half the way down and nothing happened. So obviously the guys, John at Will and Speed and those guys know what they're doing, and part of the tune also enhances throttle response. So yeah, just wanted to clear that out. So I forgot to mention, as part of the package, they do include some 3M tape to mount the actual unit where you want to mount it. So that's two-way tape and some rubbing alcohol so you can clean the surface. So there she is, perfectly tucked away. I tie strap the wires away from moving parts, and everything's clean. flathead screwdriver, probably. It's a little bit of a tight spot, but about the same as the X3, I guess. There you go. So maybe the trick is to shove it down in the crack and twist it with the screwdriver. If you don't want to. There. So there's the male end connector, OEM, and the female on the other side. So all we gotta do is grab the male end connector and wire it in. You know what? Maybe we'll wire this one in first. Probably need my two hands for that. So I just wired the OEM female connector into the Pedal Commander male connector. Or sorry, female connector. Now I'm basically gonna connect the Pedal Commander male connector into the OEM There you go. You guys hear that little click? So that means she's in. Now maybe what I'll do is I'll grab a few tie straps and secure the wire so that it doesn't get stuck while I'm driving, because that would not be good. I'm just gonna give you guys the after footage. So I'll turn the machine on and show you guys what it looks like when you first turn it on. Default on city. I want it on sport plus, and if I use the same setting I use on my X3, I'm gonna go sport plus +1. Now watch the difference. If I go all the way +4, I could even go +4, I guess it's the maximum you can have it, but look at that. It's crazy the difference it makes. mind the beeping, guys. It's just because I have the machine in permanent neutral. It's got that annoying beep, kind of similar to my Toyota Tundra, actually, when the door is ajar or you don't have your seatbelt on. So there you have it. Pedal Commander install took all of maybe 5 minutes, and that's because I was trying to explain to you guys. So it's probably like a, you know, it's probably a 5-minute install, I guess. Not more, not less. Now I'm just gonna make sure that all the wires are secured and that nothing's where it shouldn't be. Make sure that, and I'm probably, like I said, I'm probably gonna tuck it in here. Nice and out of the way. There you have it. So thanks for watching and supporting my channel, and please go and give Pedal Commander a shout out, or buy a Pedal Commander. Support them and support my channel at the same time.